Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up social media strategy for your own social media. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your browser, search for OpenAI, so here it is, and then click on try over here and of course sign in to your account. So it will be pretty easy. So now what I'm going to do is, can you write me, ask the AI, so can you give me instructions for social media strategy of my own project. Now let's wait a little bit and it will now start collecting data and so go on. So certainly here are some steps you can follow to create a social media strategy for your project. So first, define your goals. Start by identifying what you want to achieve with your social media presence. Is it to raise awareness about your project, generate leads, or engage with your audience? Having clear goals will help you create more focused and effective social media strategy. Know your audience, choose the right platform so you can, based on your audience research, determine which social media platform your targeted audience uses the most. Create a content plan, so plan what type of content you want to create, including visuals, videos, blogs, and social media posts, and decide how often you want to post. Also, ensure that the content is relevant to your audience, helps achieve your goals, and is consistent, which with your brand voice. Engage with your audience and then measure and analyze your results. So keep your track, keep analyzing everything that you do, and yeah, and what the best about this project or this AI guys, it gives you the instruction and at the end they give you like a note. So remember, social media is constantly evolving platform, so keep experimenting and iterating your strategy to keep up with the new trends and the best practices. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you can create a social media strategy using AI. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.